JEHONN long handle, lightweight, 180-degree rotating broom set indoors. This dustpan is a standing dustpan with comb teeth to get those dust bunnies out of the bristles of that broom. Perfect for kitchens, home, office, wherever you have the need for a quality broom and dustpan. The broom is engineered with a 180-degree swivel head, making it easy to clean the bottom of beds, tables, or other blind angles. The long handle can be extended to 46.5 inches, which allows you not only to stand up upright, it also helps you to sweep dust from high places or deep corners. Being able to clip the broom to the dustpan handle enables it to have a compact stand-up storage. And it also has a hanging hole on top of both sticks. It has a nice sharp edge on the dustpan, this way it leaves no dirt behind. Also, what's pretty cool is the transparent cover on the top. You can see what's in to see if it's dirty. It also has cloth grabbers on the top of the broom. With this broom set, it makes sweeping cool again.